Okay, this is Mary Macheski Preston, and I'm here at my computer first thing after I got home, drove home, and booted up this computer. Okay, so this is the folder that our project was, the same one you have. And I did some research during class, my other classes, because I'm a good student. No, but apparently the problem is that I have Unity Pro trial version, and you can't export uh, Unity Pro stuff one with the trial version. So what was missing in our project was the Unity Pro stuff, and also that's also the reason that the folder won't run on your computer, because the folder is basically corrupt unless it's on this desktop, because it's missing files from the Unity Pro trial. And as you can see, I didn't edit any of these things. It was last updated at 6 a.m. Yes, I was awake at 6 a.m. So I'm going to open it and show you that there is lighting in here. And there's also a couple audio things that didn't work in the demo. Okay, this is the scene for the beach. I'm going to show you, first of all, in this scene there are a couple directional lights. Mostly, there's one that's the sun, which is coming from the same direction as the sun in the skybox, and then there's a blue light and a orange light, just accenting the scene some. And what we wanted is just to kind of have medium low light, and yeah, that's the volume being really loud. So it's either shadows being cast that's a little more atmospheric in the scene. Okay, the next scene is, we'll go to this scene because it doesn't matter that much. But okay, this is the car scene, and as you can see, what we wanted to do here is still keep it kind of dim and dark, but you're just kind of walking through the shadows of buildings, and it gives it a sort of, you're walking through alleys, and that little car looks suspicious thing is supposed to help you if you can't find the clues, because they're over here. But see, and the most lit area is where the car is, so the light kind of guides your action. It's all dark and shadowy except where the clues are. And okay, the next scene is we'll go to the train because it's in front of my face, and found special lighting effects a little hard to do here. There's a little yellow light, but other than that, the scene was supposed to be really bright in contrast because it was originally our only ending scene, and then the branches changed a little bit, but it's still kind of like the main contrasting scene from the others. So it's got a very bright directional light, serving as the sun again, and then a couple yellow tints, but tinting. So yeah, it's very bright, and it's kind of, in comparison to the other scenes, it stands out. And as you can probably hear the audio, the specialized audio working a little better. As you know, when you're near the boxcar, you can hear train sounds, because the audio was a little hard to deal with in the presentation. And the library. It's the last one. Okay. And the library has a few point lights. It's still supposed to be dark, so those wall lamps are actually working, and that lamp's actually working. And when you get close to the door, alright, volume's not very loud, but there's a little wind sound. I can hear it. It might not come through the speakers. And the door also creaks when you open the bookshelf. And yeah, so this is a little better demonstration of the audio triggers we have in the game, and the 3D audio objects. And there is lighting in the game, and I'm really sorry that it didn't get exported in the actual Unity. I had no idea that Unity Pro wouldn't let me export its features. And okay, I'm done for now. FS Split, come here. Stop.